you don't know 2 or 3 questions I made right firstly, and then I again, due to confusion or maybe it's some, but I was quite
yeah, good,
in good
certainly
mood.
good, and yeah, thank you. Now, yeah. When we will meet?
Thank you to all.
Yeah, okay, thanks. Now, any other individual who want to say, they can kindly one by one can unmute and say something, because this is today's end session, because we don't believe in formalities. Can anyone? I was expecting seeing some new faces here. I don't know who was that individual. Dr. Sri Jawala sir, Dr. Anita has spoken. Yeah, this time this face belongs to Dr. Saloni. Welcome. Kindly say.
Good evening, Dr. Rajesh, and
Good evening, ma'am.
I believe the 7-day journey has been a very good learning. We never knew that we could also make, mistakes which were considered so silly at this age. But then it is always a good learning. We love the way you gave us simple examples, like we also usually do in class. But that helped in getting the concepts very clear. So we look forward to more FDPs like this, where simple questions can be answered. So in case you have anything more on your board, sir, you should surely float it on the group. We'll be more than happy to learn.
Sure, ma'am, sure.
And so the best part about this workshop was at least you understood that, no matter what age, we can still ask you questions which probably students ask in their class. So, why you use a Z, and why should you have a mean deviation or a standard deviation? So it was good that you appreciated the questions and you gave us very valid answers. So wish you all the very best, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Saloni. Good thing to know that you gain something, take away something. So it's a very satisfying for us and motivating for us. Thank you, Dr. Saloni. Kindly, my request to all my participants, when you go to the classrooms, if you are teachers, kindly engage your students and make sure that the statistics doesn't look like a demon to them. Look like they should feel that the statistics is part of their life. Okay, Dr. Rakesh, thank you for your. Anyone want to say something? They can speak. They can unmute themselves and they can speak. Today we have opportunity to speak because the phone there we were only speaking.
So I just have one question, if you please grant me.
Please.
So, like your institute has been conducting these FDPs. So do we have any small courses where we can learn more about, a certain statistic, like you were teaching about ANOVA, maybe chi-square? So do we have small short duration courses also?
Yeah, ma'am, Dr. Saloni, that's a very important question, and this is a very relevant question too. This is not my, we collaborate. So, Dr. Saloni, one question from my side. Where do you work? Please tell me. I'll answer the question that way. You can type in the chat box too. Yeah, we can interact, ma'am. We can interact. Where do you work presently?
Sir, I am presently working at Army Institute of Education. It's a B.Ed college.
Where are you working on?
This is Greater Noida.
Yeah, ma'am. See, now, suppose if you want some workshop for you, for your teachers, for your students, or someone else, there are various options. It can be on demand too. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. That can be, you can put up your demands that what particular point you want to know. As far as the one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, or factor analysis, or different type of that, we can arrange that workshop. But our point is, we arrange these workshops in collaboration with the Government of India, because the certificate we issue should have some value. If my institution arrange the workshop, you can gain knowledge, but certificate don't value, no value. So you can use the certificate for your CAS, that is API score also. That is my idea. So in that case, we can collaborate. You have to tell us at least 15 to 20 days in advance so that we can, if Government of India, lots of people are collaborating. We have to approach them, all report you have to generate for that. So we can do that. We can do that.
Right, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Any other individual participant, they can unmute. I want to listen from Mr. Khan, who is from Barpeta Road. Mr. Khan, Barpeta Road I have been to. It is just ahead of the, I think, we go to, when we cross New Jalpaiguri, and then we go to Kokrajhar. I think we cross that by train, or it's a very beautiful place to see. Mr. Khan, are you on the board? Yeah. Wonderful to see you. Welcome.
ये जो FDP मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
You can speak in Assamese also. I can understand a little bit of that.
এই FDP program to मोर बहुत ভাল লাগিছে.
Yeah.
মই মানে 7 দিনত বহুত শিকিব পাৰিছো.
Yeah.
গতিকে মই আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰত চিৰকৃতজ্ঞ থাকিম সদায়.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. So that ma'am is sitting beside you, your wife?
Yes.
Yeah. Pranam. Yeah. So this is good thing. Thank you, Mr. Khan. I think you enjoyed that. Okay. Now, anyone else want to say something? They can mute themselves and they can give their feedback, verbal feedback too. Trisha, I want to hear from Trisha. She's from West Bengal, I think. Trisha, are you on board? No, she's not there. Geography by Pawan Kumar. Geography by Pawan Kumar. Kindly, are you on board? If you are on board, kindly unmute yourself and say something. We want to hear from you. No, he's also not on the. Yeah, sir. Please, most welcome.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Say please give your feedback. You can give feedback Hindi as English.
सर मतलब इस ट्रेनिंग को ज्वाइन करने से पहले ये लगता था कि हमें कुछ नहीं आता, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा इस ट्रेनिंग के दौरान और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. और पीएचडी जो वर्क अभी चल रहा है उसके अंदर ये चीज़ें बहुत सारी काम आएगी जो हमारी कैलकुलेशन को इजी बनाएगी. तो सभी रिसोर्स पर्सन का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू, इतनी अच्छी जानकारी हमें इन्होंने प्रोवाइड करवाई इतने कम समय के अंदर. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, Pawan, for your feedback, and we hope that and we wish that you will award it with the PhD degree with flying colors. Now, I want to hear something from Priyanka Yadav. And Priyanka Yadav is on board. Because जो ना मेरे सामने आ रहा है, I'm just clicking. Yeah, I'm outside from home. Sorry, I said due to traveling. Okay, that's a good thing. That Trisha was traveling, still she could attend the session. Beautiful. That's known as the एक तरह से कितना उन्होंने डेडिकेशन दिखाया है. थैंक यू त्रिशा. प्रियंका यादव और सम डॉक्टर पूनम मैम, डॉक्टर निशा, एनीवन ऑन द बोर्ड? डॉक्टर राकेश, एनीवन ऑन द बोर्ड? या डॉक्टर राकेश ऑन द बोर्ड. प्लीज से समथिंग, कुछ कहिए आप.
हेलो. हाँ जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा प्रोग्राम को सुन के, लेकिन एक इसमें रिक्वेस्ट और रहेगी आप लोगों से, डॉक्टर लोकेश से, आपसे, जो ये SPSS है इसके बारे में वीडियो बना के अपने YouTube पे डालिए, थोड़ा सा डिटेल में और थोड़ा धीरे धीरे उसको, ताकि अच्छे से समझ सके और बहुत अच्छे से हमें जो है समझ आ सके.
थैंक यू.
धन्यवाद.
हम आपकी बात को बहुत अच्छे से समझ रहे हैं, पर मैंने पहले कोशिश की थी SPSS पे वीडियो डालने की. उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या आती है, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट रिपोर्ट करते हैं कि उन्हें SPSS उनके पास नहीं है. तो इस केस में हमने सोचा कि मैनुअली या ऑनलाइन पोर्टल या फिर हम एक्सेल में कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं, जिससे कि उनके पास लिमिटेशन ना रहे कि उनके पास सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं है तो वो यूज नहीं कर सकते. ये बहुत सिंपल से टेस्ट है, इसीलिए हमने कोशिश की कि हम तीनों ऑप्शन आपको बताएं कि SPSS नहीं, बाकी भी SPSS में बहुत सारी वीडियो ऑलरेडी है. तो हमें लगा कि हम अदर ऑप्शंस भी एक्सप्लोर करें कि हम अगर उसको परचेज ना कर पाए तो हम कर सकें. Yes.
Okay, Dr. Lokesh, let me add something.
लोकेश जी, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैं ये देख रहा हूँ हरियाणा के अंदर हमारी जो सेकंड लाइन की मनोवैज्ञानिकों की एक टीम जो तैयार हो रही है, उसको सुन के और उसको देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा. इसलिए कांग्रेचुलेशन. हम भी यहाँ पे अपनी जैसे इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस करवाई थी, इस तरह के काम कर रहे हैं और आप भी उधर से करिए, इस चीज को बढ़ाइए, मनोविज्ञान को.
Thank you, Dr. Rakesh. Yes, thank you. That's a good point, and certainly we are going to solve the problem as far as SPSS is concerned. हम बिल्कुल इस बात पर ध्यान देंगे, and we'll focus on that. Now, I want to hear from more people. Is there anyone on the board want to speak, say something? If then it's okay. Otherwise, it's time to leave now. My screen has been freezed. I don't know what. Yeah, that's it's available.
Yeah,
There are
I
25.
want to say something, sir.
Yeah, Gymnastic Wali, most welcome.
Overall, it was a very nice webinar, or I could say FDP, and I have learned many new things. Even my basic concepts are clear. So thanks a lot to your team. Thank you.
Thank you. If your basic concept is clear, I think it's a good thing. There are lots of people on the board. Dr. Neelam, Dr. Amarnath Kumawat, Ekta Mehta ji, Gymnastic Wali has spoken. Information channel that Dr. Anita has spoken.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Excuse me.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, sir, actually, there was a question that some training is organized here, I mean, somewhere, so that the student can learn more SPSS about. So that HPTCRC is a very good center because I have gone through and I took training from there. So I recommend that institute to take training for research scholars and all that.
Thank you, Dr. Anita, that you could learn something from HPTRC. It's very nice to hear from you. Thank you. Next, there is MG Mansa ji, Manisha Das ji, Neha Jamwal, Ombir Yadav, Pooja Shekhawat, Priyanka Yadav, Renu Chaudhary, Dr. Saloni has spoken, Sarmila Das book, Team Isra, Vinit Srivastava, anyone, they can, within next 4 or 5 minutes, they can unmute and they can give their verbal feedback. Neha, Dr. Neha.
Good evening, sir. Am I visible?
Yeah, I'm visible and audible too. Beautiful to see you.
Actually, I wanted to thank you, sir, very, very much, because before attending this webinar, I must say we would have walked like we were rushing, taking our laptops with us to the statistics department and waiting for the teachers to get our data analyzed and all, so that we could get results and they maybe getting published in the papers. So I must thank all of you, HPTRC, you along with other delegates, those who have spoken on basic concepts of statistics. And I must say they have been really very, very helpful to us. In the future also, we are looking forward to such kind of workshops in order to get more and more out of everything. So I'm very, very thankful to you, sir, to the organizers and all the delegates who have spoken, Dr. Lokesh, Dr. Other delegates also. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Neha. It's nice to hear from you that you are just a research scholar or a teacher.
Yeah, I'm a research scholar, and I can personally say it is a very, very difficult for us when we are not from a statistics background, or like we don't know what the basics of statistics are. So it becomes very difficult for us to compile our results.
So you are working in which department you are researching? Which discipline?
I'm working in Department of Zoology, University of Jammu.
You are from the University of Jammu. That's good. So very good news for you people that shortly we are going to organize one special course for people like you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's an honor, because I think we really need more from you people.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you. And we are happy that you are from a beautiful name. Okay. Yeah, Dr. Lokesh.
सर आई वांट टू ऐड वन थिंग डॉक्टर तुषार ने कल मेंशन किया था कि उन्होंने 10th में मैथ छोड़ दिया था और उसके बाद वो हमारे एक्सपर्ट हैं और मैं आपको ये कहना चाहूंगा मैंने भी 10th में मैथ छोड़ दिया था इट्स नॉट अ मैटर ऑफ मैथ अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं तो you are try to understand the concept.
That is the we need to have.
These are the only values. Yes.
Leaving maths from 10th standard and up to the research, we don't have mathematical background because we don't know anything about research. When we come into research, then we look towards things like what do we do now, then where to go for, and then we start searching the statistics professor. Now they'll help us because we don't know anything.
Thank you, Neha, for feedback. Thank you, Neha.
Yeah. Being as a researcher, you need analytical mind. No need to go in a deeper way in a math or statistics.
Yeah.
You have to analyze the concept or make some conclusion. It's an important part.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, thank you, Neha, for your valuable feedbacks. And there was a suggestion from one of the individuals. I don't know who was that. Chansal Singh she is telling that I don't know, she is or he, Chanchal, I don't know, Chanchal is general name for the girls. There should be workshop on correlation regression. Certainly we are planning for that, and the moment we organize that, certainly we are going to, Chanchal, you are a girl, sorry for that. We will inform you through your respective email IDs. Now, last point I want to ask, is anyone else want to say something, or shall we end for today's session? There is a blank, I think. Now, concluding remarks, Dr. Lokesh, Dr. Rajbir sir, Professor Rajbir sir, of course, Dr. Rajesh Nair and Dr. Tushar. I thank all. I thank GAD-TLC for collaborating with FGM Government College Adampur and as HERA Psychological Research Training and Consultancy Private Limited, Rewari, Haryana, for giving their time and resources for organizing such a wonderful 7 days online faculty development program cum certificate course for people across India. 74 people registered for this course and lots of people attended. We have gone through 2 quiz, 1 assignment and 1 project, and we'll be forwarding these all documents to the Guru Angad Dev Teaching Learning Center, New Delhi, and they will grade it and issue the certificate. For that, I am great. Finally, I have great thanks, feel my thanks to all the participants who are everything for us. Without you, there was nothing possible. So in that, finally, goodbye. Meet you soon in the next workshop. We'll be posting the details of the next workshop of faculty development program, short courses on your email IDs. Thank you. Meet you again. Bye-bye.